Mdali wami uNkulunkulu ngicela uhambe nami ngithande nami bheke itafula phambi kobuso bami zisa zami zibe sinabelo senyawo zami kusasa lami njenge-omo lenza liqame thalitha khuma babuyele kuwo sabathatha uhlaka lakho singisiwe abathakatha amadimoni ngibathumela kuwo engisebathi ngiyiwa sengizela kuwo mphozeli but every spirit that Jesus in me on the blessed by the angel soul who will kill me God will free me from prison or prove that I'm innocent for you no more ignorance that you always tell chance not the fruit okungiphazamisa bayengathanda sankosi uzebhobo umkhazi ukuze ukushaya mani phenduko lomphakathi